The story of the dolphin and the monkey. A long time ago, some sailors set out to sea in this small ship. One of them had a pet monkey and he brought the monkey along for their journey. When they were far out of sea, a terrible storm overturned the ship. Everyone fell into the sea and the monkey was washed far away from the ship and he became sure he would drown. Suddenly, a dolphin appeared from nowhere and picked him up. They soon reached the island, and the monkey came down from the dolphin's back. The dolphin asked the monkey, "Do you know this place?" The monkey replied, "Yes, I do. In fact, the king of the island is my best friend. Do you know I'm actually a prince?" Knowing that no one lived on the island, the dolphin said, well, so you are a prince? Now you can be a king. The monkey thought and said, "How can I be a king?" As the dolphin started swimming away, he answered, "That's easy. As you are the only creature on this island, you will naturally be the king." So the moral of the story is, those who lie may end up in trouble. Thank you.